In this video, we're going to show you how to tung oil a beehive. Let's finish this. How you prepare your beehives is important. Raw wood is best for tung oil, whether it is thin, smooth, or rough. We recommend sealing with Outdoor Defense Oil, as it is specially formulated for exterior use. A foam or natural bristle brush works great. Really anything you don't mind discarding at the end of the project. The benefits of using tung oil are, it's 100% natural. It seals the wood, yet remains vapor permeable, so your wood can breathe and moisture can get out of the beehives when needed. It's easy to apply and maintain over the years. Apply the oil in a shaded area. 3 to 5 coats are recommended, or until the wood won't absorb more oil. Wait up to 30 minutes to let the oil absorb. Apply the next coat and repeat. After you're satisfied with the number of coats, wipe off any excess oil with a rag. Make sure you hang to dry rags that are oil soaked before throwing them away. Now that our beehive is fully oiled, we have to let the oil cure. 10 to 15 days will partially cure the oil. Wait 30 days for the oil to fully cure and before putting it outside in the elements. Curing happens faster in warm temperatures. With your beehive finished, it's ready to get to work giving your bees a safe place to create a hive and make some honey. Get all the products shown in this video and all of your other beehive finishing supplies at realmilkpaint.com.